Okay, Mark B here again, and here's a nice little gem. Chrysler Sigma SE wagon. Little Astron 2000 2-litre engine. If you are, well, you're probably not old enough to remember, but if you are, Chrysler's advertising campaign was Chrysler Sigma, it's a sensation. So this was one of the top selling cars in Australia. Top selling 4-cylinder car, and at one stage it was a top selling car overall. It's David, the owner, and the SE was a pretty cool model. It had a very luxurious interior. Let's have a quick look. Given that these were being manufactured in the Chrysler plant in Adelaide, look at the interior, the seats. These are sort of mimicking the Chrysler, the Valiant Regal SE interior. Even the back seat here, if you have a look. Pretty elaborate leather interior for and map pockets here. For a little wagon, you got the ashtray. Sorry for the geese making a lot of noise. But yeah, really elaborate. Little chrome doorknobs and chrome trim on the outside there, and quite a nice interior. Instrumentation there, door ajar light, even an overhead console, the map reading, a special map reading light, swivel light there, T-bar automatic. Yeah, really pretty amazing. Chrome roof rack. Pretty amazing equipment level for such a small car. I think these came out in about 1977 or 78, around that time. GE it was, and you can see the badge here, Chrysler, because what happened was Chrysler was going through a lot of problems in the US. It went bankrupt. You know, Lee Iacocca took over. And so Chrysler had to sell off a few of its assets to remain viable and to get the government bailout. And so it sold off its military division that built the Abrams tank, as well as a whole lot of other investments. But one of them that they did sell was the Chrysler plants and factories in Australia, so Tonsley Park and Lonsdale, which is where they made the engine. So Chrysler was assembling these Mitsubishis, and I know in the US they sold these as, I think they were called Crickets or something. But Chrysler used to sell Mitsubishi products as well, and it's for small cars. And eventually Mitsubishi took the whole plant over, and it became Mitsubishi Australia instead of Chrysler Australia. So anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. Thought you might enjoy that. The Chrysler Sigma SE station wagon. So thanks very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe. See the little subscribe the red box there in the bottom right hand of the screen. Just click that and you can subscribe for more old car content. Thanks very much for watching. See you later.